So for today, let me share you a simple story where early detection and prevention can make a difference. I am Dr. Jerry Tan. I'm a Mayo Clinic trained endocrinologist. Now let me share you a story of Marisa na may diabetes at high blood pressure. So for years, maayos lahat ang kanyang pakiramdam. Pero ang hindi niya namalayan na dahan-dahan na palang binabago ng chronic high blood pressure ang muscle ng puso niya. So this raises the risk for so-called silent irregular heartbeat called atrial fibrillation or AFib. Now, pag uncontrolled ang blood sugar mo, mas tataas ang risk dahil pwede itong magdulot ng inflammation or pamamaga sa tissue ng puso. Kaya mas madaling mag-develop ang AFib. Now, ang problema, silent lang ang AFib at walang simptomas hanggang sa magdulot ito ng stroke or heart attack or heart failure. With Marisa, we chose a proactive path. So every morning, she checks her blood pressure using her Omron blood pressure machine. Now, ang maganda nito, aside from monitoring BP, may built-in screening technology na sinusuri ang pulse waves niya sa bawat reading. So, isang umaga, nakita niya na medyo mataas ang blood pressure. Pero, may napansin siyang kakaiba. A small icon flashed on the screen, a warning of a possible irregular rhythm. So, agad-agad, na na-evaluate namin at dahil sa AFib, nabigyan siya ng gamot. Now, the key takeaway from this is that with one simple daily habit, Marisa didn't just track her blood pressure. She protected her brain, saved her heart, and stayed ahead of the disease. Lagi nating tandaan, kung may diabetes at high blood pressure ka, huwag hintayin na may simptomas bago magpa-check up. Dapat mag-monitor palagi sa blood sugar, especially blood pressure, using this simple gadget na BP machine na agapan namin ang AFib na pwedeng lumabas ng walang babala. Remember, diabetes and high blood pressure are very easy to manage and treat. For more health tips, please follow me in my YouTube channel, Dr. Jerry Tan. See you around. This reel is a sponsored educational content in partnership with Omron Healthcare. This content is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice.